Welcome back. With me right now is Richard Palmer of the Tea Party Sentinels. Their next meeting will be coming up on Monday, February 25th, and their two guest speakers this time around will be Catherine Gerdes and Greg Rass. Welcome.
Thank you, Ken.
Nice to have you here today.
It should be a great meeting.
Yeah, I was saying right before, I know Greg, but I do not know Catherine.
Yeah, she spoke before our group before. She's Orange County's head of Orange County chapter of the Voter Integrity. It's a national organization. It's non-partisan.
Okay.
She doesn't get involved in politics. So we have two sides. One is non-political, the other one is political.
Okay.
So Greg will talk about the political ramifications of the last election. We were interested in what happened to Orange County.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I never saw such a drubbing. It was unbelievable. But
so you said, Catherine, it's the Election Integrity Project, and that's a national organization. Is that what you said?
Okay. Yeah, she's part of the national organization.
Okay.
The whole country is affected by this
okay.
voter fraud.
And of course, Greg, I know we had him on our show just recently. He's currently the mayor of Mission Viejo.
Right. He's quite a guy. Actually, when I could talk about Catherine first.
Okay.
But I already said she's a part of the voter integrity thing. It's a problem that the entire country is facing, and but California is different politically because of the setup of the. I mean, Democrats have total control over both houses, so typically when people bring their ballots in, it's supposed to be a relative or a person that's known to the person whose vote they're taking.
Right.
And Brown changed the law and allowed anybody to bring ballots in. So that opened up a whole door for fraud. So,
and I know there was the problem with the DMV, voter, and that's that's been kind of well documented, and in fact, even admitted by Governor Brown spoke about that when during the last election. You know, they said yes, this is something we're looking into, but there's no excuse for that. Right.
I mean, but anyway, that's what happened.
Okay.
So. But then Greg, on the other hand, he's been criticized because he was chief financial and advisor to the president. He was elected by the military to be head of the office for the president. So they said, the opposition said, well, he was appointed by Bill Clinton, so he's not really a good Republican. But that's totally false. That's what you get into in politics.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. So, anyway, it's I don't know. There's a senator, I think he's from North Carolina. He had people bring in the ballots, and they're contesting his election now because they said that that's against the law. In fact, the whole country, they have special guidelines for bringing ballots in for people that are absent. So,
so these are ballots that were not mailed in. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they brought them in at the end. Well, I was poll watching with voter integrity. And of course, I didn't stay to the end because in Laguna Woods, I figured there's no messing around with the ballots because there's no point. But apparently, they brought in a bunch of provisional ballots at the end.
Oh, okay.
And Mimi Walters actually won, but when the provisional ballots came in, it just reversed the whole process. Right. And I don't know who this lady is that won. She's
Katie Porter.
Yeah,
right.
I mean, she has. I don't even know her political background. I know nothing about her.
Yeah, well, she was on our show, running, and has been on since. Yeah. So, yeah, she's been on, I think, 3 times.
But I know she's complaining now that She has 3 kids. She's a single mom, and she doesn't know what she's gonna she's gonna live in Washington with her kids. Well, you know, if she should have thought about that before she ran. But anyway, I just I have no faith in this election with all the nonsense going on.
So again, this is going on not this Monday, but next Monday, the 25th.
Correct.
Right?
Yep.
The normal time, normal place. Right. Clubhouse 7.
Right.
Doors open at 6:30, and it's kind of nice this time. I know you have at times it's hard to get speakers, and this time you've got 2.
Yeah. Well, it just fortunately it worked that way, and I hope Greg can announce some good news for himself.
Well, it might be a little too early, but we'll see.
Well, you know, the Register pointed out in last week that the Republicans finally decided that they're going to fight for Orange County. Mm-hmm. So, you know, all of a sudden they woke up. Yeah. Well,
it seems to happen in both parties around the country.
I know.
It takes something to turn for another party to kind of get up, and that's been going on for decades, so no matter which party it is.
I know, but it affects us.
Yeah. All right, Richard, always good to see you.
Thank you.
And again, if you want to get a hold of Richard, it is patriot@teapartysentinels.com.
Right.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And of course, the website, teapartysentinels.com. So you can go right there and get all the contacts and information, including he always lists the upcoming meetings. So
right. Well, actually, they can call me too.
Okay. What's your number?
It's 949-683-5747.
All right.
So either way is fine with me.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. Good to see you. Say hi to Lucy for me.
I will.
We'll be right back. I'll say hi. Hi, Lucy.